what's up guys? Today I have another unboxing. These are something that's gonna be a YouTube premiere. No one else has done a video on these yet, and I'm so surprised that a lot of the sneaker channels, the sneakerheads, have not figured to do a video on these specific sneakers. No one really knows much about them. I didn't know much about them. I saw them on finishline.com right after Memorial Day weekend. And I was like, you know what, I needed white sneakers for the summer, and I was like, let's do this. So I finally got my hands on a pair of these for a really good price, under $180. So let's get this unboxed. So as you see, I got these from eBay. So I'm gonna bring the camera in once I get this out of the box. And wow, these are really nice. So these are the Nike Vapormax 1 of 1. Edition. I'm gonna bring the camera close so you guys can see, but this is what they look like. They are platinum, pure white, pure platinum, gray fog. So let's get a closer look at these bad boys. And it's the first premiere on the internet where someone's doing a video on these specific Vapormax. So moving the camera closer on these bad boys, let's get this open. As you see, there's no box top. This is how these came. So I got these for a really good deal simply because there is no box top. A lot of the times what the stores will do is remove the box tops so prevent people from buying like, I guess 10 of these and selling them back in StockX for $400-500. These are the purest white I've ever seen of that platinum color that comes in the Vapormax. Hey guys, I did a bonehead move where I shot the video earlier today and didn't look at it, didn't check it before doing a million other things. And now it's almost midnight on the eve of the Vapormax 2020 debut, the Flyknit's 2020. And as I'm editing the video, I realized that a lot of what you would have seen would have been cut off like that. So I had like 10 minutes of footage where I'm talking about the shoe and all you saw was like just like a top piece of the shoe. So anyway, I have to reshoot it, which is what you're watching now. I'm gonna insert this, re-edit it, and put it up on YouTube in time for the 2020 Vapormax Flyknits, which I'm not too keen on that. I think they just went crazy on the design of the Vapormax 2020. But back to these beauties. So up close, when you see them, they're pure white. They're a lot more pure white than you would than they look online, which is what surprised me when I took them out the box. And gonna just go around. What I like about it is a pure white canvas with the trimmings have different colors, and it's all subtle. So the air bubble has like a purplish blue. It has a blue accents down here. I did wear this today. And the thing of this, I'm going to get to the one of one concept, is that I think they wear into your environment easier than most other shoes. So you have cerulean blue accents on the bottom air bubble there, which is really cool. Give you guys the air bubble. I like that they have the Vapormax right in that, stamped inside the bubble. It's a very subtle detail. I kind of like it. Looking at the heel, you have a little accent of blue and crimson red there, which is really cool. The tongue pull is platinum. So there are some platinum details, some white details, some blue, light blue, a little purple in the air bubble, which is kind of cool. When I wore these outside, as you'll see when I put these on my foot, this looks more blue in sunlight. But I'm under some fluorescent lighting inside my bathroom right now, so it looks kind of purple, which is what I like. I like the crimson detail in the tongue. That crimson detail is really nice there in that tongue. You get the so the breathability of that tongue too is really nice there. I like that shininess too. There, it kind of has like that off-white design where the stitching is exposed. I didn't really like it earlier, but now it's grown on me. I love it. Yeah, I also take out the insoles whenever I get shoes just to see what's going on inside. And you have a bit of, it's like a grayish blue, gray blue white color. I like that. This, whatever this color is, I love this color on these shoes. And it kind of also mimics that color there. I like how that crimson and the blue, light blue, is just next to each other. It just looks really good. So let's see what's going on this. Yeah, these are made in China. That's my birthday, actually, March 2nd. That's so cool. Even weirder, the other date on this tag is my wife's birthday, November 6th. So that's when these were produced in China, and that's the sneaker code. I do wear size 11, I have big feet. Always check the back, guys, when you get these to make sure that that stamp is there for the size. So these are women's 12s, men's 11. I guess that's what that means. But that looks really comfortable. I like that. Now the concept of the one of one is that when you buy these, just buy a canvas. So everything is white. You could take nail polish remover, and I had to Google that just to be sure, and splash it on a check. And the Nike check mark will turn to a peach or red or different colors, whatever's hidden on there. Hey guys, this is the lineup of these shoes, the one of one collection, sold at finishline.com and this other website called JD Sports. This is what I mean when you could use the nail polish remover to decorate your Nike one of one. And that's kind of what it looks like when you decorate it. There is the Air Max 97 that turns to like a pinkish red, and the Air Max 90s you could decorate as well. Here's some text, the only text I found when I Googled what the one of one collection was about. So you can pause this and read this. So it's kind of like you rub that off with the nail polish remover. You can put it in a Q-tip and just like do like a pattern in there. I'm not going to do that on these because I love them. I love these the way they are. Also, the back heel here, when you look at that, you could write on that with a magic marker. It's kind of like it feels like a chalkboard. That also might rub out, and it might be a different color underneath the white of that. It's kind of like those scratch-offs kind of a thing. I think that's what that feels like. You could also write on that. And also the Flyknit material is just a white canvas. You could airbrush that, change it a different color. I'm not sure if anyone's doing that in 2020, but I think that's the concept of these things. You have the toe area here. I didn't talk about the toe. That's kind of like a translucent plastic piece there. I guess you could also write on that too if you wanted to. So that's the concept of the one of one, that you get these, they're white canvas, and you just do what you want to them. But I'm going to keep them the way they are, obviously, because I bought them because I wanted white shoes, not shoes that my kids are going to ride on. But like, I like the concept, like the idea, like where Nike's going. So we're going to put these on my feet and talk about them a bit more. So guys, I just had these on the feet. They're very comfortable actually. They feel lighter than my other Vapormaxes, my other Vapormax 3, the Habanero red and blue ones. I don't know, they're very light. I like that. I don't know why they feel light. Maybe the lightness of the color makes them, mentally makes me think they're light on the feet. Really like them. The white is really bright. I did walking in grass and walking in pavement to show you guys the difference between different contrasts of how they look, so you get a sense of the whiteness. Just to walk around with those in this video, it's already, the sole's already starting to yellow. Like that blue stuff is already, I don't know, it's like rubbing off, and it's taking on the color of the ground. Not sure if I like that. Like this is literally taking a couple of steps in the backyard here, and this is already like picked up just a lot of stuff. It's so weird compared to these. I've been wearing these for 2 weeks now. Isn't that crazy? I don't know if that's maybe the one-of-one concept. Like these tend to take on a personality of how you wear them, but it's interesting how that's already turning yellow. Hopefully the bubble doesn't turn yellow like my old ones, my original Vapormax that turned yellow over time. So these are Flyknits 1. When I got them, the sole were frosty white, and after 3 years of moderate use, they turned yellow brown. They're notorious for doing this, and you can even see it's not even worn down much. The soles are very durable, but they just turn brown. And the air bubble on the 1-of-1 looks very similar to those first Vapormax Flyknits when I got them. So far it's really quickly already looking worn. These are really good. I'm really glad I got these for a really good price. I'm actually gonna look out and try to get another pair of these, and just keep one and just wear one. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. More sneaker stuff, more BMW stuff, more barber stuff is gonna be coming for the fall. The channel is growing. I'm doing better quality videos for everyone. So see you guys in the next one.